Today I will show you perspective crop tool in Adobe Photoshop. So let's get started. You can access the perspective crop tool by right clicking here. The menu will be pop up, tools menu, and then you can easily access the perspective crop tool from here. However, its shortcut is same. You can see the menu bar, some buttons are appeared here: width, height, resolution, size, front image, clear. So I am describing all of them. So first of all, see, this book cover is in perspective. Okay, this in perspective. So I am perspective it by perspective cropping tool. So if I click here, you can able to click 4 clicks. Please take it in your mind. Okay, 4 click, then it will select. However, you can easily fix it by dragging the corner points, easily resized it easily by dragging corner point. However, I am clicking off this show grid option, so I am checking it again. So if you checking it, the grid will show. If uncheck it, then the grid will not show again. So this is the perspective. I am correcting the imperspective of this book cover. So see, I am accepting it, and you can see that the book cover is now proper perspective. So this is the perspective crop tool, and this is work is in this manner, in this slide. So I am Ctrl Z, I am doing Ctrl Z to send back. If here is width, you can see measurement is pixel per inch or pixel per centimeter. I can say I can put it anything. If I here put 1500 pixel and 1500 pixel, so and resolution 300, you can see then I am using perspective crop. So I am putting the corner points and I am accepting it. Now you can see that it will perspective the book cover with the measurement I have put it earlier, 1500 pixel and 1500 pixel inch and resolution 300. So I hope you got the idea. If I put here 1400 and if I put here, I can swap the width and height value. Okay, then if I clear here, then all the data will be removed from the menu buttons. However, also you can check the front image. If the image is appeared here now, if I click front image, it will automatically put the front image width and height in the menu buttons. Now if I click here, if I use the perspective crop tool and accept it, you can see it is perspective by width 55 inch and 37 inch as per using front image. So dear viewers, I hope you got the idea for perspective crop tool. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Take care.